Hi and welcome to this video where I want to give you guys a really quick update on my Vero experience, a real life example. I've been using it now for a few weeks and I want to make some comparisons and give you some observations. I want to compare it to Instagram, which I was on previously. I want to do this quickly. There'll be no B-roll, it's just my observations of Vero and we'll go through it. And hopefully it'll prove useful for you guys if you've either switched to Vero or are contemplating Vero. If you do like this, please remember to like and subscribe. Also, I'll drop my Vero ID in the description below. So feel free to drop along and either connect to me or follow me on Vero. The first thing that I really want to say is that on Vero, within a matter of weeks, I have actually gained more than twice as many connections and followers as I gathered in probably 18 months or so on Instagram. The community, from my experience, is absolutely awesome. It's very positive. Users will contribute to each other's, they'll critique, they'll pay compliments, etc. They'll actually follow and connect and enter into a dialogue around the pictures. Absolutely awesome. I did, as an experiment, drop the same picture onto Instagram and the same picture onto Vero at the same time. Vero had hundreds of likes within a 24-hour period. On Instagram, it had like 4. People that I knew that were following me on Instagram weren't even presented it in their feed. Also, the feed has no ads. On Instagram, I'm perpetually getting reels that I'm not interested in. I even got one for lingerie. I mean, lingerie, right? Okay. So on Vero, there are no of those ads. It's the people that I follow. There's also recently been added a discovery capability where you can discover new photographers or new musicians. And talking of which, the categorization within Vero is absolutely awesome. The ability to just look at photos if that's what you're interested in, the ability to look at videos, music, gaming, whatever you like. But I've posted several different interests that I have on there covering the gaming aspects and the books and the music. Absolutely brilliant, great community, and the categorization of topics in the feed is great. And talking of the feed, the actual stream, the actual content, the user interface is absolutely so easy to follow. It's chronological order. You can just zoom straight to the top if you want to catch up with the latest. You can scroll through. It's very easy, very welcoming. One of the things that I really found a strong benefit of this is the capability that you can do introductions on Vero. You can actually introduce your followers, or your followers can introduce you and your connections. I'm using followers and connections in the same context there. So you can actually drop out an introduction. So I've dropped out some introductions for people that I really admire on there that have done some great content. They get more followers. There's a great community building up, and I think there is a momentum that has now built up since the Peter McKinnon video. I think that it's not jumping on the bandwagon, it's actually moving to a platform that actually is providing value to photographers. And also, one of the things that's really, really impressive about Vero is the quality of the photography on Vero. You don't get those massively oversaturated images. You do get true landscapes. You do get true street photography. The only thing I now use Instagram for is some musicians that I follow because they're not on Vero yet, and some of the local activities in my area because people are so wedded to Instagram in some areas. So do I regret going to Vero? Absolutely not. I'm so happy that Peter McKinnon pointed me in the right direction with his video. The community is second to none. I am definitely not going to be going back to Instagram for photography. I'm going to be going with the Vero platform. It's growing rapidly. I see more and more people joining it every day, joining the community, gaining new followers, me following those people. My recommendation to you is if you do join, obviously follow and connect below, my link is below, but connect with the community, engage with the community, look at their images. It is so, so strong and so, so powerful. You have to really get into this environment. So I do hope that this video has been useful in convincing you that maybe you should come and join on Vero. But remember to also like and subscribe my YouTube channel. It's starting to grow nicely now. We're starting to get somewhere, which is great news. And I'm really loving Vero. So please also remember to follow and connect on Vero. And I will see you around very soon. Thank you for your time.